Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I watched the TEDx Talk Fly I Most by Afreen Mushtaq. This talk is very good and interesting. Afreen Mushtaq tells us that we should believe in ourselves. We should not be afraid to problem. Everyone faces difficulties in life. Sometimes we fail and sometimes some things do not go our way, but we should not stop trying. I learned that hard work is very important and if we work hard every day we can achieve our goals. I also learned that mistakes help us learn. When we make a mistake, we should learn from it and try again. This all teach us to be strong and confident. It also teaches us to stay positive and never lose hope. If we believe in ourselves and keep work hard, we can make our dream come true. I, en- I enjoyed this TEDx talk because I gave me a good message for life. It inspired me to work hard, learn new things, and never give up. Thank you everyone for listening to my president. Thank you for your time. I hope you liked my president. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.